Hello everyone, welcome back to my English video. In my English video today, I'm going to talk about this topic, natural. Okay, first let me introduce myself. Okay, listen to me. My name is Trinh. My full name is Nguyễn Thị Nam Trinh. I am 19 years old. I am a student at Hanoi National University of Science. I come from Thái Bình. I live in Thái Bình with my family. My family has 4 people. They are my father, my mother, my brother, and me. My father is 50 years old. He is a farmer. My mother is 49 years old. She is a teacher, and my brother is 25 years old. He is a worker. I live with my family in a small city in Vietnam. There are not many people in my city, so it is very quiet. My house is near a big park, a big lake, and a long river. My city does not have mountain. It has a big rice fields. At the weekends, I love riding my bike in the park. The park has many colorful flowers and lots of trees. On hot days, I often go to lake to chat and eat ice cream with my friends. I love watching the water ripple. It makes me feel good. Sometimes I go fishing with my father on the banks of the Red River. There are a lot of fish. On spring, I go camping here with my friends. Besides, there are many fishing boats on the river. We sing, cook, and take lots of pictures together. On windy days, I fly a kite and watch the sunset in the fields. On autumn, the rice is ripe, so the fields is yellow. It is very beautiful. On summer, I go to the beach with my family. The beach is 20 kilometers from my house. It has golden sand and blue sea. I am excited. My city is very peaceful. I love my city very much. That is all I want to share with you guys. Thank you for listening.